Good evening friends, this is Vinayak from VB Education. In the previous lecture we have seen how we can create a functional interface called predicate, and we have seen there are four different types of functional interfaces. So today we are going to see the second type of functional interface, and that is consumer. Okay, so before we see a consumer, now what a consumer, as the name suggests, it will only consume a value, it will not return any value. So there is no return type, but it will consume a value. So to demonstrate a consumer, first I will create a Java class. So here I have already created one project to demonstrate the functional interface. So the name is functional interface demo, and within that functional interface demo we have created a class test functional interface. So I am going to use the same class to demonstrate the consumer as well. Okay, so let me create one more class here. So I am creating a class called person. So person is just a small entity. So let's create one instance variable in the person. So let us call it as string first name. Now I will create a getter and setter for this. Okay, and let us also create a constructor for person using this first name. Okay, no need, I think the function constructor won't be required. Okay, so now to demonstrate a consumer, let us create a consumer with the type as person. And let us call it as say con. Now the consumer will only consume a value, so let that value be p, or you can call it as v, whatever you want. So I will write a lambda expression for this. So here I am writing v dot first name. Is equal to, let's give it some value, say Vinayak. Okay, now we have to import this consumer from Java util function class. This is not the one. So from Java util consumer function class, we have to import this consumer class. Fine. Now this underline, that is yellow color, it is showing that we are not using this consumer. So we'll use this consumer in the code now. So consumer, as the name suggests, it is consuming only one value, say v. Okay, and it will not return any value, and we are going to use this consumer now to set the first name of any object which we are passing. So here the object which we are going to create is of person class. So let me create a person class. I am creating a new person. So say person p is equal to new person. Okay, so I have created a new person p. Now I want to set the first name of this new person which I have created, p, to Vinayak. So I will do that using this consumer. So how do I do it? So consumer is having only one function, that is accept. So first you write the consumer name con dot select accept, and you can pass this person P. So when you write consumer dot accept and you pass some object to that, it will set the first name of that object to Vinayak. Now just to confirm, we'll see. I will write a sys out statement, and we'll see whether the first name of this object P or this person P has been set to Vinayak, right? So what this consumer dot accept is doing, it is setting the value of the first name to Vinayak, and our output statement sys out, it will print that value. So let's see whether it works. Yes, so here it is. This false is for this upper code. Let me comment it. It is for the predicate. Okay, so basically it is returning Vinayak. So friends, what exactly the consumer has done? I have passed one object called person to the consumer, and the consumer has automatically set the first name to Vinayak. So that's all. Thank you so much. Next time we'll see the function interface function.